Watch my wine. Hi, everyone.
Hey, folks. How y'all doing? We're back again from the balcony. Today just want to have a little talk. We're talking about some of the stuff we've been doing. You know, some surprises ahead. We spent a day last week
Yes.
in Bahia Anita. Bahia Anita is a really lovely area here in Santa Elena province. So it's near Salinas and La Libertad. And got to spend some time with our friends, Stephanie and Kenneth again. You've
And
seen them
Mila.
before, and Mila. You've seen them before in previous videos. Stephanie is the one that cooked the wonderful soup for us. She took us around to Bahia Anita. We went to a lovely restaurant. I'll have the video playing.
It's Vistamar.
Vistamar, yeah.
Yes.
Up on a hill, great view of Salinas and the coast, and it's wonderful. It's a wonderful place.
Tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream, you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you dream like that. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself.
Then we went to the beach, kind of down towards the beach. I can't remember the name of that restaurant, and it's like a
No.
museum, and
Yeah, I can't remember,
yeah,
but it was very nice.
it was lovely.
Fade to black, but forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream, you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you dream. Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream,
just got to walk around and take in the views. The weather was nice.
It really was.
Yeah. So lately here, it's been chilly this last couple weeks.
Yeah.
It's
Low 70s.
yeah, it's actually 69 right now. The sun has been peeking in and out today. So we went out earlier. It wasn't too bad.
No.
You know, so yeah, right now I'm starting to get little goosebumps.
We won't be out here long.
Yeah, this is actually really cool for this area. Well, anyway, it's usually around the 70s anyway.
Yeah, it said, when I looked online, it said August, September usually are in the low 70s.
Yeah.
So it's the cooler months.
Yeah, season comes up, you know, in a couple months where it's, you know, it's a little warmer, a little more sunny. I've said this before though, the sun is it's a different beast.
Yes.
When the sun comes out. You know, it could be 69 now and the sun peeks out and it just feels a lot warmer than
Like 74, 75.
it feels even warmer than that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's, you know, it's lovely here as usual. There's some construction going on and
Yeah, construction all around us. The new, I think you seen it, you put up a video of the new condo that's been built next door to us.
Yeah, and they're building a parking garage, so that's a bit more noisy.
Yeah.
But it's nothing we haven't gotten used to here. Don't want to ruin any future surprises, but we do have some really unique videos coming up. So stay tuned for that in the next few weeks.
For those of you that are coming, if you have any questions, please leave a comment leave a message in the comment field or shoot us a private message. We'll be glad to answer those questions. We look forward to you all coming. We thank you all for subscribing, supporting us, and watching our videos.
Yeah, getting us to 600 subscribers, you know, really appreciate it. We thought it would take a lot longer than it did. So yeah, just keeping us busy, keeping us on our toes, you know, thank you.
Keeping him on his toes.
Definitely keeping me busy. But yeah, just we want to keep the content coming. We're naturally kind of homebodies, so sometimes it's a struggle to get out and, you know what, let's go make a video today.
Yeah.
Thank you, y'all. Thank you. If you are on our YouTube page, remember that Sean has a separate page called On the Porch. It'll be in the description of the video. Mine is called Steve's NGT. It'll be in the description of the video. So yeah, we love the support, you know. And everyone who has donated, I've already sent you private messages. I really, really appreciate it.
Yes.
You know, we don't ask for these, so when we get them, believe me, we are extremely appreciative.
Actually, go get me a cup of coffee.
Yeah, she's about to get her a cup of coffee after this glass of wine.
What? Anyway.
Yeah, but anyway, you know, enjoy the video, and we'll see you soon.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.